Toyota has finally heard us. What did they hear? They heard that we want a 3-pedal, stick shift, a manual transmission. Well, Toyota has been able to build a 6-speed manual Supra since it first launched, the latest edition of its top-line sport car in 2020. But the company declined to market, arguing that the 8-speed automatic is available in every current GTR Supra was quicker. But our hearts want what it wants, and we need to have what we want, which is a manual Supra. Finally, Toyota is giving us what we want. Roadshow has confirmed that the Supra will receive a manual transmission option this year, but still, nothing is official out and directly from Toyota themselves. It's unclear what other changes the Supra could have this year, but a clutch pedal is one of them. Is it what the Supra needs to succeed? Possibly, but it's not clear if the manual will be available for both engines, twin turbocharged 3-liter inline-6 and the 2-liter turbo 4. But so far, all the signs say yes. So what else do we know about the Supra 2022? Well, we know nothing else. But this is going to make a big change for a lot of car enthusiasts, because they always wanted to have a Supra MK5. But the idea of swapping the transmission is a pain in the ass. Not only the Supra costs so much, but you also need to buy a special swap kit. Plus, the transmission will cost you approximately to 10 grand. It's more efficient for Toyota and us. They will definitely sell more because their salesmen weren't that great before. And we finally can have a manual Supra without getting broke. At least most of us. I will probably get broke just by buying a lollipop, sadly. The Supra will have the same engine, and that's a good thing. It's very tunable, you can make 500 plus horsepower, and the engine is amazing. Plus, sound amazing. Now, it's only fair to make a comparison video between the Z and the Supra. So stay tuned and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out. The Supra is finally a ready from factory drift car, except for the suspension, which still needs to be changed. Now that the Supra is manual, a very big amount of drifters will start buying it for sure. And it's actually a very good drift car. A lot of YouTubers have manually swapped the Supra and it looks like a fine beast. Damn, when the Supra is sideways, it just looks amazing, boy. Look at that. Unfortunately, this is a very short video, but there will be more videos coming soon. So stay tuned. Until next time, bye!